patit el flagrant, la cursa més llarga, que són 87,5 quilòmetres, també ha començat. Molt bé, gràcies.
Up track into the path of David Gilliland. And a fun. As Allmendinger shoots across the track, he clips the 51 of Justin Allgaier. A very hard hit for Allmendinger and Gilliland.
So that flames can't come in a car with him. We see this most out the rear. But the thing that the drivers fear the most and that bothers, I see wrecks like this and I think about, well, back in the day, you wouldn't probably walk away from that car. They'd have to help you away from that car. And these guys crash these cars. It's just such a testament.
I no vull que us perdeu TotalEsport aquest diumenge a IB3. Aquest diumenge no era cada. Merda. Vale.